I have no idea. But we have to go see because a tree more than likely is covering it right now.
Hello, where's our car?
The tornado, I don't know. The tornado of 2010 hits Forest Hills, Queens,
New York City too.
New York. This is Yellowstone Boulevard in Forest Hills, right in front of my apartment building. And we're just gonna walk right down to show some of the destruction. Trees are removed from the ground in half. Cars are absolutely demolished.
Where's my car?
We have trees down everywhere.
I don't know when is that answering the phone. Well, because I think a lot of people have crazy situations.
Oh my god, it's oh my god.
Queens Boulevard sign hanging out on Yellowstone Boulevard.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
This street looks like an absolute war zone. I'm gonna step over these trees right here. This block. What is that? This actually looks like the top of the phone booth.
What is that?
It's the top of the phone booth.
Really, where's my car? I'm not kidding. Is this insured? Tornado?
Yeah.
Good question. Is this insured? This is absolutely insured under comprehensive coverage on the auto policy.
I just got lucky.
Have you ever seen anything like that?
Well, I have, because I grew up in the South. Never in New York, though.
Anything to say to the camera?
Shit, this is crazy.
Get hold of my mom.
That's what this is.
This has never happened.
Let's walk to Queens Boulevard. You been over there?
I grew up in Thursday, because I'm used to hurricanes.
Oh, yeah.
And I've seen what hurricanes can do, but...
Do you think this is a tornado?
Brad, stop that for a second now. Where's my car? I'm not kidding.